315 but yeah, but I prefer 300 and I go a little longer time.
Oh, okay.
We add 3/4 cup brown sugar. Half a cup of extra light olive oil. Reasons why: I'm a vegan and I don't eat egg, so I'm substituting that for my egg, and I don't drink dairy product, so I don't use milk. Whisk this in. As you know, whenever time you're baking, you put all the wet ingredients in at the same time. So this is some pure vanilla extract. So this is no little just artificial flavored. This is natural. So we're gonna put a teaspoon in just for flavor. Okay. We'll whisk this in now. This is 1 cup, a cup and a half. We have some raisin. The reason why I'm putting in the raisin now is because I have to ensure the raisin is in the flour, so the raisin don't sink to one position. When it's in the flour, then it will stay above. Some cinnamon powder, some allspice, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Before I whisk it up, I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. The oven is preheated at 300 degrees. Just preventing it from stick to the bottom. Put in a little butter inside the pan to ensure that no sticking. And the reason why I put it before I mix up the butter is because the baking soda and the baking powder, when it reacts, if you leave it, it's gonna start activate by start doing this job. I don't want it to start until it go into the oven. Okay. So now we mix this together in. You don't want to over mix this thing too much, okay? You just want to get him the right mixture. No flour, no raw flour is there. So want it to mix it. You're just ready to pour in the pan. This is not really a bun pan, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. oven is at 300 degrees. 300 degree at, I'm gonna give 54 minutes.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Good. Yeah. That's a finished product. It's really hot, so we can't cut it as yet. $18.91. Well, from another car.
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Nice, man.
Alright. You
But
see
man.
mixture?
Mm-hmm.
If you did then a bun pan, either more thicker or fluffier. But because I pan wide, so you know, so you have to buy one bun pan to do that.